Power target trades, power trigger trade. Alright people, in this video update for the SPY, I'm going to talk about the big picture of the market, and I give you a SPY plan for those who want to take the SPY plan. Do you know that I have made dozens of SPY plans in 2017, and at least a few of them I put plans were like this, where if you took it, well, 4 or 5 of them, if you took those trades, you made money in the SPY, because I've been calling for the SPY to be higher ever since the beginning of 2017, where there was bears calling it a bubble at SPY 225. You heard that right, people? Bubble! All right, now let me show you what I also said while the market was dropping. See this dread dropping bar? Oh, there was chaos. Let's see what power trigger trade, before we get to the plan, let's see what I said on my Twitter stream. Alright people, so here we are on power trigger trade. Now before I get to that point I want to make, if you want to become a serious follower on Power Group Trades, you want to listen, see this pin tweet video? You want to listen to it. Detail, word for word. It's about 5 minutes long, but if you pay attention word for word, it's a breeze to become and join the big picture expert guiding you since February 11, 2016. Let me show you what I said about the market. So you can see, people, on February the 15th, the market was dropping. I said, lots of great setups I see happening. Like I explained, the SPY pullback will create great opportunities in the right stocks. Lo and behold, people, today, February the 6th, massive bounce in the market. We made all some money in plans. See, people? The market has gone up a lot. Of course it's going to pull back. I even said market has moved up massively since 2016. A drop like this is only healthy. That's right, people. It's only opportunity. The market isn't just going to collapse in 1 minute. Market could drop an additional 2,000 points and still be massively bullish. This is a big picture expert. I know what I'm talking about. Most of these bears are just yo-yos. Missed the whole rally and just talk without the... Look at the bounce. How do they explain the bounce? They don't have no skill. Listen to me, people. I know what I'm talking about. All right, now. Again, we're going to get to the plan. You want to be a serious follower? You see this video? It's a pin tweet. Power trigger trade. Check out the video. Let's go back to the plan here. All right, people. So here we're back at the plan. Again, like I explained, you got to look at the key stocks out there that are very strong. Give me an example. A stock like BA. Ask yourself this question: is it in a massively strong uptrend, even while the market has dropped, the so-called record drop? These people don't realize we had a record run. Massively wrong. Listen, there was a so-called SPY bear that called it a bubble at 225. That goes to show you the low skills out there. I want to follow the big picture expert, Power Trigger Trade. All right, now. SPY is set up to test 280 on the low end. Okay, people? And again, it could go into new highs as well. These are the target, at least this target anyways. The February 16, 270 calls could be used. You can make easily 100% gains if you want to get into these options. Okay? I will explain about the market and the big picture. Stop the guessing and assuming. That's right, people. I just explained about that. Right? Now look at this too. Look at the amount of options that were traded today here. 42.3K for the 270 calls. Can they make 50% to 100% easily? Odds favor that. You could see they went up 44% today. Those who bought the dip. Ha ha! Power trigger trade. Didn't I say something? Didn't I say it on February the 5th? These poor bears with no skill. Wrong. 7,000 points. And they want to celebrate their 1,000, 1.5 points. We bounced 800 points today. Poor. Look at the volume. What a joke. So many jokers out there with no skill. Listen. You want to change your fortunes, you better study with my videos. You better become a follower on Power Group Trades and find out what the power is all about. All right, now. SPY needs to break above. I will explain inside the video the key factors. Listen, you see a SPY get above 270? Abba zoom, abba boom. You enter those calls. High odds, you make money. Every SPY plan where I put options involved in 2017 made money. Power Trigger Trade, people. It's Power Trigger Trade. Now let me show you something interesting. All right, here, right now, here we are at Power Trigger Trades. Listen, people, you want to subscribe to this channel? I do live streams. If you don't have a YouTube account, open up one and subscribe manually. If you have one already, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe right inside the video. But I also want people to see this creative playlist. This is what I'm talking about. A wealth of knowledge from start to end plans. Mind, if you want growth, mental growth, you want the truth, the facts, the power, you study this creative playlist. I led us to great profits all through 2017 while I were a clown called the stock bookie. Wrong the entire year since SPY 225. That's a massive bear. Former hedge fund. These guys are clowns, people. PowerGroupTrades 10 times above almost anybody out there. PowerGroupTrades. Find out what I'm about. Study carefully. The power. PowerGroupTrades. 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 You name it, people. Study this creative playlist. Let me tell you. You're gonna see a picture of me in a circle format. You're gonna see that in the video. Let me show you. Let's see what I say. PowerGroupTrades Sandro here. We just finished watching that great detailed video. But you want to know something? You also want to join me for my live stream. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe right inside this video. Also, I suggest people to study my creative playlist, a wealth of powerful of information you've never seen before on YouTube or any investment channel, unlike anything before, people, from start to end. It's a wealth of information that will help you succeed. And also, you want to become a serious follower on PowerGroupTrades. But first, you've got to be a follower on PowerGroupTrades on Twitter. So that's a message to you. I'm going to show you easily subscribe. You're going to see a picture of me over here in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. So there you have it, people. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video!